Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Feature Friday. Of course, you know me. My name's Bobby. This week we're going to be talking about a new update to the inventory section that I know people who saw the recent parts update we did where we added a markup field there were like, hey, we want this in inventory. Well, guess what? Here we are, and I'm about to talk about item markup in inventory. So, yeah, let's jump into this. The first thing you got to do, because it's not on by default, is go to your admin page, scroll down to the inventory preferences, and then you'll see a new option called Enable Percentage Markup. When you click this, another field will pop up, and what you can do here is optional, but I want to mention it. You can choose to do a default umbrella markup percentage. So if you always want to guarantee that any products that are created in your account start with at least a certain percentage markup, you can enter a number here in percent and then hit save, and then your prices when your products are going to be get created, will automatically reflect a 10% markup. Now, since I have this turned on, let's head over to the inventory tab and hit new item here, and price retail and price cost are in the same positions, and you'll notice there's now a new little field here called percent markup with a quick little explainer. And on the last screen you saw me enter the 10%, and like I mentioned, when you create a new product it will automatically be reflected. Now however, if I was to put in a cost, it will automatically calculate the retail price based off the markup. And if I wanted to play around with it and say on this particular product, instead of a 10% markup, I wanted, I don't know, a 50% markup, the system will automatically reflect that as well. All I then need to do is create the product and add it to an invoice, and the markup percentage will follow through there, and you're good to go. Again, you need to go to the admin screen, into inventory preferences, and enable product markup, and you can optionally select a umbrella or account wide product markup percent there for products when you're creating them, and you can also on an individual product level edit the markup here as well. One more thing I want to note is for those of you that are using the price override on any products that are set to maintain stock or serialized. Let's see if I can pull one up really quick. This product override here allows you to set a specific cost, and there is a hierarchy to how this override works. And I'm sure some of you are going to ask, how does that work with the percentage markup? If you were to enter in a amount here, I'll just say this much, 20 grand, this number would get used in place of the price retail here for this specific product instance. And I've gone into this in past videos, but I did want to at least mention to you that if you do, or rather are using price overrides for product instances, those will be respected and it won't use this percentage to determine the price. And the reason for that is a lot of you specifically went in there and set those overrides, so we didn't really want those to be affected at all. So I hope everyone enjoys this particular update. It's been in the feedback forum for a while, so I'm going to go mark that completed. And I hope everyone enjoys this one, and I'll see you in the next one.